Hi, my name is Aidan Bailie, and I was recently admitted to Clarkson University School of Engineering and Management, as well as accepted to their honors program. And what I would like to talk to you about today is the idea of sustainability. Sustainability is our ability to exist on our planet without depleting our natural resources. Now, the topic of this today will be hydroponics. Many of you might not have heard of hydroponics, but it's basically the growing of plants without the use of soil. And this is done by using nutrient-filled water. It sounds crazy, right? Growing plants without soil. But using hydroponics, we can control the environment that surrounds our plants. And this has several benefits. There are four main benefits that I would like to share with you today. First, being that hydroponics produce more yield with a smaller amount of produce, and the plants grow much faster. So this means that a smaller sample of plants will provide more food for the general public. The second benefit that I would like to share with you today is that being in a controlled environment, hydroponics do not require the use of pesticide, meaning that there will be no excess pesticide in our foods for us to consume. Another benefit that I would like to share with you today is that it can prevent fertilizers from getting into our water sources. Now, many people may not think fertilizers in our water sources sound like a horrible thing, but let me tell you, when fertilizers infiltrate our water sources, it can cause algae blooms, which deplete the natural oxygen in that sample of water. This will leave fish and many other marine organisms to die. And finally, for our fourth reason, an ever-growing problem is the amount of water that is wasted every year. Hydroponics, we can monitor the amount of water that goes into the plants, and all the water that is not used by the plants will be recycled back into the system and prevent any water loss. Now, a quick recap of all four reasons that I just stated. 1, there will be a higher yield. 2, there will be no pesticides in the food that we consume. 3, there will be no fertilizer runoff into the environment. And 4, it will reduce the amount of water loss. Now, why are these things important to us? Well, first, it will protect the health of the general public. This means no pesticides will be in our food, and this means no fertilizers will be in our water sources. This will protect us as humans. And the second reason behind all this is that we can help feed the growing population. The human population is growing every single year, and we need more sustainable ways to provide food for everybody. I would just like to thank you for your time, and I hope with the help of Clarkson University that we can make this happen together.